Okay, so I've been working on short volume, putting it all together for every exchange and off-exchange venue, and that would be using NYSE data, SIBO data, the consolidated NMS from FINRA, which is basically the consolidated volume off-exchange, and then the NASDAQ. So while it's been hard for me to get the NASDAQ data, I was looking into something today, and it really stuck out to me as far as market share, and I wanted to go over this with you because I haven't made a video on market share, so I wanted to show you a picture of what a normal day looks like, or a normal day lately. So before we begin, these are exchange codes. There's two different kinds. There's an options exchange code and a bid-ask exchange code. Generally, AA, they're the same entity for the most part, but they are different codes, so keep that in mind. Now, this right here is an example. So FINRA consolidated NMS, B, Q, and N has nothing to do with these right here because this is an off-exchange report. So a TRF is a trade reporting facility. This is where most of the off-exchange volume is going to be coming from. And each FINRA TRF provides FINRA members with a mechanism for reporting of transactions affected otherwise than on an exchange. There's 3 active TRFs. There's the TRF Carteret, the TRF Chicago, and the TRF NYSE. Now, if you add all those 3 together, that's where you get this consolidated NMS from. So this Carteret number here for AMC plus this equals this here. Same for GameStop. And then using this data just to give you an idea where we were at today off exchange, 46.3% short off exchange from TRFs for AMC, 57% short off exchange for GameStop. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So, alternative display facility. This is a facility to the exchange, is an alternative to the exchange for publishing quotations and for comparing and reporting trades. So it says right here, ADF/TRF normally reports OTC-like trades such as dark pool, cross, or off-exchange VWAP-like crossing trades, or broker-dealer internalization trades, etc. So this is where the bulk of the volume obviously has been for the past few months or even longer. This is where I'm stuck, okay? Because if you add up all of the market share throughout all of these different facilities, it's over 100%. Okay, so just based on this ADF, which we just learned is off exchange, plus this TRF Carteret, plus the FINRA TRF, I mean, we're already at 90.3% off exchange. But wait a minute. As soon as you start adding the on exchange, we're over 100. So are we rehypothecating volume? Is that possible? Can someone help me? Because I'm getting plenty of wrinkles from this. I've never seen this before. And this is from yesterday, by the way. This is yesterday's data. I'm still waiting for today's data to update. But look, if you go and you look at the ADF, FINRA reports ADF, right? It reports it. Right here. ADF. Thursday, nothing. Wednesday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Is this on purpose? AMC wouldn't show up on the ORF, but yeah, I mean, I've never seen this. Does anyone know how the hell that we could be over 100% market share for a given day? That would be great because I've never seen it. So if anyone out there knows, that'd be great. There you have it. Shouldn't be possible, but here we go. This is directly from SIBO's website right here. And all you got to do is you go to compare venues, wait for it to load, which takes extremely long when I'm recording a video, of course. And then once we check all these here, hopefully they've updated it for today, so I can just show you here. But yeah, there you go. I mean, It literally doesn't add up. So yeah, if anyone knows what's going on here, please let me know. Take it easy, everyone.